The Director General, National Biotechnology Development Agency, Nabda, Professor Auda-Nepad, said the workshop was aimed at bringing stakeholders together in the science, technology, and innovation to examine the work plan on genome in order to validate it to become actionable plan for Nigeria, has been in the forefront to increase food sufficiency in Nigeria and has taken a step further to explore other successes to boost the agricultural sector, and the use of genome is taking the lead. To achieve this, therefore, Professor Auda-Nepad
has come across the nation, across the continent of Africa, which, if harnessed, it is going to transform the development in terms of science, technology, and innovation across the continent. So we partner with Auda-Nepad, and Auda-Nepad come with a strategy that all countries across the African continent are going to harness this new innovation in science and technology, that is genome editing, to see how they can use it to implement success that can be derived from this science, technology, and innovation, which is genome editing. So this success is going to transform the continent of Africa. And this success is now focused mainly on agriculture, but later it can go into different fields of science, technology, and innovation.
Professor Akimbo said the success of a country is how well it lives today that can determine its tomorrow.
Because infrastructure is the base. It's not the industry that build the infrastructure. It is the industry that build the infrastructure because they are looking for return of their investment. But it's the policy environment that the government needs to guide. That, okay, this is an innovation that will benefit us. We put in 2% of our GDP into research for infrastructure, for capacity building. Then when this research has come to the point of being taken up by the industry, that's the place of IP, intellectual property right. Then that's where the government will get their royalty back. And that's the point of negotiation.
The DGN NBMA, Dr. Agnes Asagra, shares similar opinion about the genome.
We even have a kind of a MOU with the customs. They were even with us last week. There is a software that they are building up on the systems, so which will tell us, will be on the platform. So from there, we'll be able to know when some crops are coming in, when some cereals are coming in. So we'll be able to go take a sample because our officers are around the boundaries and always at the seaports, the land areas, to make sure that whenever any product comes in from those GM producing countries, we take the samples, take it to the lab, analyze and see if it is authentic. And also,
similarly, the DG Shesko, Professor Paul Onyenakwe, expressed satisfaction with Professor Auda-Nepad for being at the forefront to improving Nigeria's agricultural sector with new innovations for economic growth.
So, Nabda, you have taken a very wonderful step. Let us carry the people along. Let the press be able to speak our language. Let the traditional rulers be able to understand our language. Let the environmentalists also understand our language. Because the major problem we are having with GMO, even up till now, is because people have failed to understand the language being spoken by the scientists.
At the end of the workshop, a validated strategy may have been reached, and effective communication is expected to take up from there to create awareness for the public to become hopeful of the new initiative in agriculture is birthed in the country. Topsy Gimba, ASO Television News.